be giving out the little description on how to use these scripts. Okay, so this is the name of the script is recent weekly high lows and the middle on 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame is the best time frame to use on this script. You can also check on the 15 minutes, you can check on the 5 minutes word for scalpers. So now you can see that this script combines multiple analysis. We have the support and the resistance mixed together with the weekly high and lows. Okay, so I'm gonna be explaining it. So let's get down now. So this script effectively combines weekly high, lows, and middle lines with dynamic detection of support and resistance levels across multiple time frames, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily time frames. Okay, it incorporates moving averages and alerts for new support and resistance work levels. Okay, so the weekly highs and the and lows and the middle lines are displayed on the chart. Okay, with the customary colors and styles allow users to toggle between long and short lengths, while the moving averages, as we know, is included with the 50 and the 200 period SMA with adjusted visibility and wall color. Now, it also has a swing detection, okay, detects and labels swing highs and lows for 1 hour, 4 hour, daily watch time frame, plots lines and generates alerts for each detected swing. Okay, so the script is so awesome, guys. So you can see the scripts as the user effectively, which could break it, which could um identify the weekly highs, the lows, and the middle of values. Okay, visual lines for the highest and lowest lows, highs, the middle prices for the recent week on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so now how does it works now? It calculates the highest and lowest and the middle price over the past 7 days, which is the 168 hours. Okay, visual features like the dotted lines mark weekly highs and lows, while the middle point is display with dashed lines. Okay, so the support and resistance detection, it automatically identifies swings, highs, and lows on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and the daily time frames, which is marked with the marks these levels with lines and labels. Okay, on the 1 hour and the 4 hour support and resistance levels. It helps traders to find key levels where price may revise or break out. Okay, like it has a swing detection sensitivity look back period. You can adjust your look back period, whatever you want, whatever values you want to use. It has a label offset for better visualization and line width and was styles. Okay. Now, the benefits how this case is beneficial to traders is that it identifies key price levels without manual analysis. Okay, alert ensures you don't miss trading opportunities when the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily and align on the same support word and resistance for better word reversal for entry or word breakout. Okay, multiple time for analysis helps align short term and long term word trends. Okay. So this script is awesome. So if you check on the description below, you see my contact if you need this script to contact me, and also what the user the usabilities of what this script. So now let's look at the GBP USD. You can see that on the 1 hour time frame, GBP USD created an order block at this point with a weekly high. Okay. Now, one thing I've really come to understand about this script is that it is beneficial to traders on the like the Mondays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Okay, this is where you can get the absolute words reversal for the weekly highs and the weekly words lows. Except maybe you are doing maybe you are going lower time for like the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes that creates what opportunities for support and resistance was constantly. So now you can see that the weekly high created what a sell order block here. This is an opportunity for you to get into the trade. Okay, but I'll rather wait for what the price to create a support and resistance level. Okay, now here it creates a weekly high here on Thursday, 12th of December. So you could go on this trade, okay, but you can see that price created what is support, a resistance here, which is 1 day, the 1 day resistance, 1 hour resistance, and 4 hour resistance aligning on what the same resistance what levels. Okay, now well, how do now you see that I enter the trade when the weekly high is generated and I put out at the weekly middle line here, or I would rather wait for the 1 day resistance, 1 hour resistance, and 4 hour resistance, depending on what the the resistance that price created or the support that price created. Okay, you can see that there's a pullback here and it creates a resistance here with a set order block. Okay, then I will take my profit at the nearest or discount level, or I'll pull out at the daily support, the 1 hour support, or the 4 hour support. Because of now these levels are aligned together, price will test them back at the what support zone. Okay, now you can see that. Let's go over to the USD. You can see that the USD on the 1 hour time frame and the prime created a premium and the weekly high and the daily resistance. Our 1 hour resistance, 4 hours resistance. I can see that price tested was the 1 hour was support. Okay, I will definitely test towards the 4 hour support. So I'm expecting USD to drop down towards the daily was support and the 4 hour was support. Okay, so let's go over to the Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame. You can see the Euro USD and it created a discount with a weekly world low. Okay, we have the 1 hour support and 4 hour support. You can see that price tested these levels onwards resistance. So let's go over to the Euro USD. So you can see the Euro USD created a premium. So my script works with the smart money comes sell loss aggro. So you can see that it created a premium with the weekly word I. Okay, and what a daily word resistance. So what and the daily words resistance and other block was generated. You can see that price tested what the daily words support. So guys, this script is so awesome. So let's go over to the USD CHF. You can see that price created was a premium with a weekly high and what daily resistance. So price is gonna test what the daily support. Okay, now whatever price created, either the daily resistance or the 1 hour resistance or 4 hour resistance, price must test what the 1 hour support, the 4 hour support, or the one daily one supports zones. Okay, and maybe if you don't want to put that at the weekly medium. Now, in some of my videos, I was saying something about the equilibrium level or the weekly middle, that price that is not guaranteed for price to test these levels. Okay, anything is possible for price to reverse. So, okay, that's why we need what support and resistance zones in our trading. Okay, so let's go to the BTC. For those of you who like to trade the BTC USD, you can see the price created a premium on the weekly high at these levels. Okay, and price what drops down. Okay, created a weekly what low. Okay, and rises up, created what 1 day resistance. You can see that price drops down to the what the daily what support. So this script has an alert. So you can incorporate an alert. You can incorporate your alert. Okay, to better handle your positions what and your entry. So you can set the alert to alert our function cost only, or other fees, and alert for function was cost. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame. So if we go over to the 15 minutes time frame, you can see on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that price at these levels, price created the weekly or the weekly high over here. Okay, the weekly high over here and one daily resistance. So price must test what the daily was support. Okay, let's go back to the 5 minutes time frame. You can see from the 5 minute time frame, price created the weekly high over here and price must test what the price tested what the weekly low. Now let me let you guys know that if you want to know that a trade is gonna go long using this script, one thing you should identify is what the alignment between 1 hour, 15 minutes and what 5 minutes time frame. Now look at this alignment at the weekly high here. Price aligned at this point here. You go over to the 15 minutes time frame. You can see from the 15 minutes time frame that price what aligns here. The 5 minutes time frame, the same thing. They all aligns at the same levels. At that point, you should know that what price is gonna drop long, or price is gonna what go up long. So it depends on your trading what strategies. Okay. So guys, this is it. I'm gonna don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow me, don't forget to like my videos. If you need any of my scripts, you can check on the description below. Okay, you see my contact these days, you contact me. The scripts are not for free, it's a paid script. So look at this. Now you can see from the 1 GBP CHF and 1 hour price created a premium weekly. Okay, premium weekly at this point here. Then another block was generated that I will wait for was the support and resistance zones to be created first. So price created a daily resistance and the forward resistance are aligned to on the same levels. So price in the daily was support was, and also it's the 4 hour was support. Now, guys, now listen to me now. Now, if you enter this trade and price it is weekly support or the 4 hour support, don't you can trade for what a short what reversal, because when price hits the weekly low, it's that price tends to break the weekly low or price reverses. So you look for what a reversal what candle. Okay. Now I would rather wait when price hit the weekly what low. I would rather wait. Okay. I would rather what wait when price tends to rise, maybe price reverses and tends to rise and create a resistance. Okay, it will create what a resistance. Then I will get in the trade when price creates what another what resistance and another what values for me to get in the trade. Okay, so I will not just enter because price is the weekly low, or I will not just enter because price gets to the weekly high. No, okay, I'm gonna wait for price to create what is support or price to create what a resistance. That's why the other blocks are needful for you to identify what the direction of what the market, the direction of what the trade or the trend. Okay, so let's go over to the ETH USD. You can see everything is all intact there, guys. Okay, now let's look at this now. Okay, let's take for example NZUSD. You can see that NZUSD is what the weekly low here. Okay, it is the weekly low here. Now the price creates an order block with what 1 hour support. Now this is an opportunity for me to get in the trade. Okay, because what there is a confirmation of the order block. You can see that price creates what 1 hour support here for me. Okay, and 4 hours and price it what 1 hour resistance and 4 hours resistance, guys. So guys, don't forget to don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me. If you need more of my script, click on the description below. You get my contact details. Don't forget to contact me for the paid script. Okay, have fun, guys. See you.